Good afternoon, everyone. Crystal and I are out here at the Blue Mountain Birch Cove Lakes Trails. We're going to do a little bit of hiking here. I just got off work at 3. We have no idea where we're hiking. We're going to just go up and look at the trails and pick one. And we got to be out before dark. That's our goal. Get in and get out before it gets too dark. So we'll see you in there. Going up there. Coming from there. And that's Crystal, in case you don't know. Yeah. Into the woods we go. I think we found the hill. That's about all we found. Yeah. So it's not that big of a hill, but it felt like a hill. It feels like a hill.
Just continue with
Yeah. Oh look! I know, but I think we have to go up that rock hill.
Oh, yeah.
Came along that trail and we stopped to look at the map and figure out where we want to go. Okay, so we are here. And we are going to hike down here, and hopefully have enough time to get over here to the log cabin at Charlie's Lake before we head out doing something in here to the parking lot. But we don't have enough time to come down and do Ash, I don't think, because it's going to be dark soon. Okay, that's the plan. So this is Hobson's Lake. I think last time we were here we had the lakes confused.
Mm-hmm.
It's beautiful. And Crystal found the perfect little rest spot here. I know the sun's right in our eyes.
Keep that one in mind for next year.
Yes, for sure. We just found running water. We're so excited. There's been no waterfalls or streams or rivers for so long. And look, running water. Yay. Ooh, look. Ooh, the way the light was coming in. Is this the path? Are you my mother? And we're just coming to another sign, so I think it's going to tell us where we are, but I think we pretty much know where we are. Yeah.
28.
And that's it right here. That's where we are, so we're going to keep going. So we came by Hobson's Lake, we were just at Ash Lake, and now we're coming up to Fox Lake. Good to see with the sun. Seems to came to our first fork in the road that had no map. And we've opted to go right. It might be right, it might be wrong. But we're trying to get to Charlie's Lake. Coming along the path here, and check out these huge rock formations here on my left. Giant. Just keeps going and going. So we made it to the look-off, and this is Fox Lake look-off. And we still haven't made it to Charlie's Lake, so I guess we better get moving soon. Because the sun, as bright as it is, it's coming down.
We're here.
We're here where the pretty colors are starting. Man, we're trying to get to Charlie's Lake. No idea if we're even on a path anymore. This spot that we love because it's got great maps everywhere. We seem to come to a dead end here and run out of maps. So obviously we came off the trail at some point. Now that's not inviting enough for me. Following another random path. Oh, were we here before? I don't remember these rocks that stand alone. We are on a path. Might be the same path. We don't know. I feel like we just did a circle. Or a triangle. It's pretty in here, but sun's going down. Sun's going down! I think this is another path. Ooh, I see like orange flagging tape. Yeah, we don't know if we're going to end up near Charlie's Lake. We're really not even sure where the heck we're going to end up at this point. But we are on a path and we're sticking to it. We were sticking to a path that we had.
Over there.
Okay, now we must find another one. Where did they go? They just, like, 1 minute there's the path, and the next minute there's not. Do you see something? Oh, that looks kind of crunchy in there. I don't know, man. This feels like a tick area to me. Was not the right way. It was a dead end. So we came back and we keep running into this orange flagging tape, like clearly everywhere. So, hoping that's a good sign. And this is the orange trail. Get in behind these trees. I wonder who lives in there.
Whose house is that?
I don't want to dig out my flashlight. It goes down. Cool. Oh. I don't know how we got up this high. It's nice though. But sun's going down. Sun's going down, Crystal! But we keep following trails that just end. So then we search around till we find another one. So really, no idea where we are. Don't think we're ever going to see Charlie's Lake or the log cabin. Hopefully we'll find the log cabin by nightfall so we have some place to sleep. Don't know. But it has orange markers. We love you. Oh, yeah, yeah. Orange markers.
Now stop going away.
Yeah. Where do you guys keep hiding from us? Man, it's getting dark. We need to keep seeing you. Where are they?
Put my flashlight on.
Like, look. Do you see any path in here? Ooh, is that the path? Oh, this is it. We're in the woods. It's getting dark. It's getting dark in here. I haven't seen any more of our orange tape lately. So we were completely off course. Somehow we were at the mountain bike trail. We don't know how we got there. We don't know what's going on up here. We got a tea kettle in the tree. A possible, at one moment, a stream at some point. That looks like a little seat. Oh, this is somebody's little campsite. Oh, it's Nellie's Brook. Hello, Nellie's Brook. This is a good place to have a little seat. Go through this area, and it's called Coyote Bog, and it's pretty dark. Think there'll be any coyotes. Be loud, be big, make noise. Be big, be loud, make noise. Don't call them. Be big, be loud, make noise. One comes out and grabs me by the leg and drags me into the woods. So we won't be seeing Charlie's Lake at this point. We'll be lucky to see anything except our way out. Look!
Civilization.
And the stone fireplace. Isn't this the stone fireplace? Okay, we know where we are. It's all good. Which way do we go from here? We don't know what we're even walking on. This is what we see. Welcome to the woods in the dark. Adventures with Terry and Crystal. First of all, we didn't know where we were. Now we know where we are, but it's dark.
Everyone.
And we're just trying to find our way out of here. And I can't show you what's on the ground. Yeah.
And one, two, and then one.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here.
We're good, Crystal. We're gonna be alive. We're gonna. Not only is my car here, but there's like 6 cars there. There's a truck there. The parking lot is full of cars. There's people here. Where are they all? What's going on? Well, we made it out, but not before dark. I hope you enjoyed another one of our hiking adventures, and I hope you'll come back and watch another one. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks. And if not, just click that button down there in the corner. Right there. Yep, right there in the corner.